This video features standard cooking steps. You can scan the QR code on our packaging to view the easy cooking video. Video subtitles are available in multi-languages. The current meal sauce kit will be replaced by our innovative transformation all-in-one complete sauce. Our complete sauces are an all-in-one cooking sauce that is convenient and easy to use. Explore our other complete sauces in the range. With our convenient and easy-to-use Sayur Lodeh complete sauce, you can now make your very own delicious Sayur Lodeh. Sayur Lodeh is a popular Malay dish featuring a delicious assortment of vegetables simmered to perfection in a lightly spiced, rich coconut gravy. In this video, the recommended ingredients are typically used for making a traditional Sayur Lodeh dish and are optional if they are unavailable in your market. You may also add ingredients according to your preference. Here are the ingredients you will need. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Add tau kwa, tempeh, pad thai, bay leaf, French bean, English gourd and water into pot. Cover the pot and bring it to a high boil. Step 2. Add Prima Taste Sayur Lodeh complete sauce. Mix well. Lower to a medium boil and let it cook for 16 minutes. Lastly, rest the dish for 10 minutes before serving. And there you have it! Delicious Sayur Lodeh is ready to serve. Isn't it easy? Try it today. Not only is our complete sauce easy and convenient to use, it is also value for money, offering an average savings of up to 18% compared to other food outlets. Now, we will show you how to prepare the tau kwa. Step 1. Cut tau kwa into quarters. Step 2. Heat oil and pan fry tau kwa till lightly brown and they are ready to use. Check out our website for more cooking videos.